Alright you guys, so we decided to get up a little bit earlier, but here in Hawaii, they open things a little bit later. Even if you do get up early, nothing really opens up until like 10 o'clock unless you're getting coffee. They open up earlier. So we're a little bit early, but we are here at Tin Roof, which is home to Chef Sheldon's restaurant. Let's get to it! Yeah.
You want Chef to personalize it? You see it right now.
Oh yeah, really? Oh yeah.
Any mac salad.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Chef.
95.
Thank you.
Stay down here, right?
Yep. Let's go. No color now. Awesome. Our own personalized books by Chef Sheldon. Awesome. You guys, cheers to you. It's a great meal together. Perfect.
Yes, that is perfect.
Go ahead. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Got a big old bag of food and a drink. Let's go eat in the car. Let's go.
So good.
Alright, let's crack a cold one because you gotta stay hydrated in Maui. This is their island ginger beer.
Ginger beer. I'm talking about like the brewing company. They do have
Maui
beer
Brewing
too, that's really
Company. Ooh, this we have their spicy salmon. Yes, of course you can't come to Hawaii without having their poke.
I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna eat it with my salmon.
Ooh, crunchy. Oh, I hear that. Is it anchovy crackers?
I think
probably.
so. These are like poke dreams, you guys.
Big chunks of salmon, fatty, fresh, and creamy.
So good.
The rice is cooked perfectly. Nice and fluffy. Next, please. Garlic noodles with garlic shrimp.
You guys, it's
Ooh.
huge.
Oh, look how big the shrimp is. Wow. You can smell that garlicky goodness. And the noodles are like those thin ramen lo mein / lo mein noodles.
The shrimp isn't peeled, right?
Garlicky, buttery, soft, chewy goodness. Oh, you getting the whole thing. I'm sure.
So good.
Cabbage on the side here. Some blanched cabbage.
And cabbage is perfect. Adds like that crunch that you need.
Wow.
So good.
I mean, come on. Come on. They filled this to the rim. Ooh, look at all this chicken, all the sauce that they put on top of this. They call it the 6-minute egg. Wow. Chicken. Crispy chicken skin. Chicken is cooked so perfect, so juicy, so much flavor. The rice, of course, is nice and fluffy. And just look at how ridiculous that is. Ooh, this is their dry Mein Noodles. You can eat it as like a dry noodle, or you can eat it with broth. Bam! Looks like some noodles, some fish cakes, bean sprouts, eggs. This is the bite. Get some broth. Woo! That is super hot. It's like ramen noodle soup. Bam is like nice and salty. The noodles are nice neutral flavor, and the Naruto is fishy, but it's like a fresh fishy flavor. Ooh, not overpowering at all. I love these noodles.
Really mellow, but the Spam
Yeah, the saltiness comes.
just takes it over the edge. I love super hot broth.
Even though it's hot,
That's
it's
my
like
favorite thing.
yeah. So soothing to the soul. Wherever you guys are at, fly to Maui, come to Tin Roof. You can always buy their book. We got our own personalized book signed by Chef Sheldon.
Was that
Super awesome, cool, down to earth guy.
Squeezing through one lane.
Cute little hut. We're here. We made it.
Do you guys usually eat the butter with the?
Yeah, and that you can actually eat it with everything. Yes.
Yes, so this has the banana bread with the passion fruit butter.
Cheers. Cheers.
Banana bread, cheers.
Mmm.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. That's so good.
Oh yeah. What do you got there, baby?
Pineapple and passion fruit juice.
Oh yeah.
Hello.